The next topic which we are going to start in the topic of differentiation is rate of change. So remember, rate of change is always associated with time. So rate of change is always associated with time. So when we say that the rate of change of x, actually we say that dx over dt. So the next thing which you should understand is if x is increasing, then dx over dt will be greater than 0. And if x is decreasing, then dx over dt will be lesser than 0. So these are some concepts which you have to understand and learn before starting question. So now we are going to do some questions of this topic. Here is a question now. If x is equal to 4 into 1 minus 2t whole raised to power 5, find the rate of change in x at t is equal to 1. So look now, solution is, so rate of change is actually dx over dt. So it means we have to differentiate this equation. So the equation is x is equal to 4 into 1 minus 2t whole raised to power 5. So differentiating x with respect to t, so power will come down, make 1 less from the power and take the differential of the value which is having power, so 1 minus 2t. So look now, its differential will be minus 2, so minus 2 will also be multiplied with this one. So 4 5s are 20, 2s are 40, and minus sign will also be there. So minus 40 into 1 minus 2t whole raised to power 4. So this is dx over dt, but we are required to find the rate of change at this t is equal to 1. So dx over dt at t is equal to 1. So minus 40 into 1 minus 2, t is 1 and power is 4. So minus 40 into 1 minus 2 raised to the power 4. So inside the bracket is minus 1, which is having even power. So minus sign will be absorbed. So minus 40 is the answer. The next topic which we are going to start in the differentiation is connected variables. Variables. Okay, if y is a function of x, then chain rule is dy by dt is equal to dy by dx into dx over dt. So this chain rule will be used. So this is the concept which you have to understand and learn first before doing the question. So now we are going to do some questions. Here is a question of connected variable. This statement is the volume of the water in the pool is this. So it means here is the solution now. So volume of the water is 4x cube plus 6x square plus 3x. So this is the volume given. Okay, when the depth of the water is x centimeter, water enters the pool through a tap at a constant rate of 1800 centimeter cube per second. So from here, this is dV over dt because rate centimeter cube per second is given. So it means dV over dt is given. So dV over dt is 1800 centimeter cube per second is given in the question. Okay, find the rate at which the level of the water. So it is said that level of the water is x. So it means level of the water, the rate is required. So it means dx over dt is required. So this is the requirement when the depth of the water in the pool is this. Okay. So first from here, we will differentiate the equation dv because with respect to x. So look now, answer will be 12x square plus 12x plus 3. Okay, 12x square plus 12x plus 3. Okay, at 30 centimeter. So at x is equal to 30 centimeter. So putting value of x into the equation. So putting value of this one into the equation is 12 into 30 square plus 12 into 30 and plus 3 will remain as it is. So solving it on the calculator now. So 900 into 12 plus 12 into 30 plus 3. The answer is 11163. So this is the answer. Okay, now dv over dt here, we are making a chain rule now. So dv over dt will be equal to dv over dx into dx over dt. So now we are going to put the values into the formula. dv over dt is 1800. dv over dx 11163 and dx over dt is the requirement. This is the requirement. So from here dx over dt will be equal to 1800 over 11163. So solving it on the calculator. So 1800 divided by 11163. Answer is 0.16. So because this is the level of the water that is in centimeter. So centimeter per second is the unit. So this is the answer. Here is another question in the connected variable. The statement is liquid is poured into a container at a rate of 24 centimeter per second, centimeter cube per second. Okay, unit is actually centimeter cube per second. It means this is dv over dt. So dv over dt is 24 centimeter cube per second. Okay, the volume of the liquid in the container is V and V is 1 by 2. H plus 4H, H square plus 4H. Okay, this is the equation where H is the height of the liquid in the container. Find the rate at which the height is increasing. It means the dH over dt is the requirement. Okay, first we will differentiate V with respect to H. So dV over dH 1 by 2 will remain as it is. Inside the bracket will be 2H plus 4. So, okay, from here, actually we need the value of H to find the value of dV over dH. So here is V given. So we have to do some work. So here is V given, and this is the equation in which we will put it. So V is equal to 1 by 2 into A square. So, okay, here is 16 because V is 16, and right side will remain as it is, 1 by 2 A square plus 4H. So A square plus 4H. So we have put the value of V into the equation to get the value of H, because we need H value to get the value of dV over dH in integer form, in number form. So look now, from here 2 will be multiplied by 16, so it will be 32 is equal to A square plus 4H. So from here A square will be A square plus 4H minus 32 will be equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation now. We will solve it through factorization method. Multiply the coefficient of first one with the last one. So this is 32. The coefficient of the variable, of singular variable, is 4. So we have to think about two numbers whose multiplication equal to this one, addition or subtraction equal to this one. So 8 fours are 30. 32. So singular variable will be written with both of them. This sign is telling us that both will have opposite signs, and this sign is telling us that larger will have positive and opposite will have the smaller. Now put this factor in the place of the central variable. So central function. So the step will become now A square plus 8H minus 4H minus 32 equal to 0 will remain as it is. At this step, make pairs, take common. In the first pair, H will be common, H plus 8 inside the bracket. In the second pair, minus 4 is common, so H plus 8 in the second bracket. The bracket which is coming 2 times, same bracket, so will be written once, and the values outside the bracket will be written in the second bracket. From here, H is equal to minus 8 or plus 4. Because H is the height which cannot be in negative, so this is not applicable. So H is equal to 4. Okay, now this value will be used to find the value of dV over dH. So dV over dH is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into 4 plus 4 is as it is. So 1 by 2 into 8 plus 4, that is 12 over 2, 6. Okay, from here we will use the chain rule. So dV over dt is equal to dV over dH into dH over dt. So this is the chain rule which will be made. So look now, the method to write the chain rule is, this thing will be cancelled, so remaining will be dV over dt. So dV over dt will be equal to dV over dt. So this is very easy, beta. So look now, at this step we will put the values into this step. So dV over dt is 24. dV over dH is 6. And this thing is the requirement, dH over dt. So 6 will come into the denominator. So 6 fours are 24. So it means dH over dt will be equal to 4. And h is actually the height, which will be definitely in centimeters. So centimeters per second will be the unit. So this is the answer.